Hey friends, today we are going to be working on picture graphs and we're going to have a fun Google drawing activity, but I wanted to talk about a picture graph first and the data set and the key, very important to think about the key, and show you all how this activity is going to work. So first thing with the picture graph, we're going to take in the information. If you can see my mouse here, it says Mrs. Reinhardt keeps a tally of the number of times her children do their chores without being asked. Then she makes a pictograph. So this is our data set. The tallies just tell us how many times each of the people does chores without being asked. Now we see, Greg, there's 5 there. If there's a diagonal tally, that's 4 up and down, and then 1 diagonal, that's 5. That just makes it easier to count and organize. So Greg did 6, Addie did 6, Rachel did 7, Elliot did 9. So what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this data into a picture graph, or a pictograph. What we have to take into account, let me see if I can make it bigger here. Each star, we're going to be using stars, each star equals 2 chores done. Each half a star equals 1 chore done. So, let me see if I can scroll us back down here. What you all are going to do, I've built these stars over here, and then here's the stars down here for the half stars that equal 1. These stars equal 2. These stars equal 1. Now, I'm going to do the first one together, so no one should get this one wrong, and then you all are going to copy it. But Greg did 6 chores. So 6 chores, that's an even number. If we skip count by 2, there's 2 chores, 4 chores, 6 chores. So the 3 stars in this picture graph for Greg means that he did 6 chores. What if Greg had 7? What if Greg had 7 tallies in his chart? If there were 7 there. Well, we have 2, 4, 6. We can't put another one of these. That would mean that he did 8 chores, but he didn't do 8. He only did 7. So what we would do is we would come grab one from down here and then drag it up to the picture graph. Now, let me show you something. If you accidentally kick the arrow and it gets bigger, you can make it smaller again. Okay, no big deal. Or if you delete it accidentally, all you have to do is you can click one of the other ones and you do Control-C and then Control-V and it makes a copy. So no stress if you mess anything up. The only thing you don't want to do is try not to move the background of it. But everything else you should be good to go. Okay, so there's our picture graph. Always, always, always look at the key to see how much each of the pictures are worth, and then you can complete the graph here. Have fun with this and let us know if you have any questions.